You ever hear a Jamaican call somebody wanga got? Jamaican slang of the day. Wanga got basically mean you're greedy, but not just any kind of greedy. Are the kind of greedy we love food bad. You see the person who don't eat already and still a watch everybody plate? Wanga got. Are them come at your yard and done everything in the pot? Wanga got again. It mostly playful still, but depend on how it say, it can sound like a this too. So if somebody call you wanga got, just know say them a pre you and how much you love eat food. Jamaican words carry plenty meaning. If you enjoy these, check out the book Things Jamaicans Say versus What They Really Mean. Link in bio. And if you rate the culture, grab the merch too. So it go, you tell me, big up yourself.